Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to follow or keep track of matches that you are interested in and that are being played right now on the Flashscore application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then go to the All Games section. So click on the first icon down below in order to select the type of sport that you are interested in and that you would like to follow the results of, or the happenings. So click on this icon and the current sport in the upper left corner of the screen, and click on the relevant one that you are interested in. As you can see, according to the timetable, there are competitions. So click on the live icon down below, that's the second option. And here you can see several matches and games that are being played right now. So if you are interested in any of these, just simply click on the relevant one. And then you will be directed to this, to the page of this particular match, and here you can see the contestants, the summary of the match, and the games as well here. So if you are interested in any of the players, you can tap on them, tap on the relevant one. You can even add it to your favorites, either the game itself by clicking on this star icon in the upper right corner of the screen, thereby adding it to your favorites, or you can also add the add teams or players to your favorites by clicking on the relevant star next to their profile picture. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.